In this tutorial, you will learn how to compress PDF files. PDF files can be very large, especially if they contain high-resolution images or other graphics. For this reason, you may need to compress a PDF file to email or upload it somewhere. An option is to use PDF Compressor, a program that compresses PDF files using lossless technology without destroying the quality. To use this program, go to the PDF Compressor site, as shown on the screen. Click the Download button. Then run the setup and follow the instructions to install the program. After installation is complete, open the program. You can add a file or drag and drop one. Let's click to add a PDF file. Select the file and click Open. Then choose the compression setting option. In the window that appears, you can choose to better compress with minor quality loss in the Compression tab or compress for web in the Optimization tab. After this, press OK. In the upper right-hand corner, choose where to output the PDF file and then click on Start Compression. And that's it! A second option is to use Microsoft Office. To export a document to PDF in Office 2013, click the File menu, select Export, and click Create PDF, XPS. In the Save dialog, choose your Optimize For setting, either standard or minimum size. And that's it! Splitting a large PDF into two separate files will allow you to email it in 2 emails. You can download the PDFTK program. Go to the PDF Lab site, as shown on the screen, and click the Download button. Run the setup and follow the instructions to install the program. Then open it and click the Add PDF button to add a file. Double-click on the right column and enter the page range you want for the new file. For example, if you have a 16-page PDF file and you only want pages 5 to 10, you'd enter 5 to 10 in the column. If you only want pages 3, 9, and 12, you'd enter 3, 9, 12 into the column. After this, click the Create PDF button. And that's it! If you want to split a PDF file into 2 files, you should go through this process twice and specify a different half each time. You can also try compressing the PDF into a zip file. To easily create a zip file without installing anything in Windows, right-click your PDF file, click Send To, and select Compressed Zipped folder. Windows will create a new compressed zip archive containing your PDF file. And that's it! Congratulations! You've just learned how to compress PDF files. This was a HowTech tutorial. Leave your comments below, subscribe to our channel, and press like. Thanks for watching.